The quick thinking and preparedness of the people in the gray car. All right, so we're going to keep our eyes on the gray car here.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh.
Oh.
Whoa.
He's like, oh, no big deal. Uh-oh, I'm on fire now.
Kind of a big deal. Kind of a big deal.
Stop, drop, and roll. Well done.
Roll is good.
Oh, so that's the gray car.
Gray car. Wow, with a blanket. Let's go. Definite. And an extinguisher.
Just walking in casually.
How are the rest of the cars just driving by like nothing's happening?
Yeah.
They might be worried that it's something nefarious going on.
I
that
see.
They could. Crazy how quickly it goes poof. Not
Well, that's gasoline, right?
not good. Is that what that is?
Yeah. That gets on you.
Petrol? Yeah. But yeah,
Wow.
these people who rolled up, they're better than the emergency forces. They had everything ready to go. I like this guy marching like some sort of villain in a movie. You see this? See the way he marched right there?
Like the Joker.
Yeah, he's like, just another day, another fire, some more flames.
You know, my buddy has a fire extinguisher in his trunk. And I was
That's
like,
a good idea.
That guy's prepared.
yeah.
Is he prepared in other ways in his life, or is he disorganized elsewhere?
No. He's prepared in his life. But I always like, when are you going to ever use
Doomsday.
this?
He's
Doomsday
prepared in
prep?
all ways.
No, not in all
Some
ways.
people
But
are
he is
prepared. Some people are really prepared in one way, and then another way, not so much.
Right.
Like a guy who's got a cabin in the woods, fully outfitted for life for 17 years.
Okay.
But then didn't pay his hydro bill.
He's not prepared for current living.
No.
Yeah.
No. Only
He's
if
for the
everything goes
future.
completely wrong, then he's perfectly prepared. But as far as tomorrow, he hasn't packed a lunch yet.
Yeah. Whoa.